Sales reps. Sales representatives, commonly referred to as sales reps, are professionals employed by a company to promote and sell its products or services to customers. You can create sales reps from customers, list of sales reps, click add sales reps. Enter sales reps first name, last name, email address, telephone number and mobile number. If you want, you can add any attachments to these sales reps under Notes tab. If you want, you can attach any documents to these sales reps. First, you need to save this sales rep and click this add attachment. You need to enter action date, subject, after that you can attach documents. You can attach up to 2 MB and maximum 5 attachments. By clicking this add attachment, you can attach the document. After that, you can save this sales rep. There are two buttons, save, second button, save and new. If you want to save only this sales rep, you can click save button. If you want to save this sales rep and create a new sales rep, again you can click save and new. Then system will save this sales rep and open a new window for enter new sales rep. If you tick this active tick box, this is a active sales rep. Later, if you want to inactivate this sales rep, you can untick this active tick box. You can add more lines to this sales rep by clicking this plus mark. If you want to remove, you can remove by clicking this red color button. We will save this sales rep. After you save the sales rep, you can view list of sales reps. You can view how many sales reps in the system. Here we have 4 sales reps. By clicking these headings, you can sort sales reps. You can sort by ascending or descending order. You can search sales reps by typing under search and click this search button. You can sort by multi-columns by clicking this A to Z. You can add levels. You can export this sales rep to CSV file. You can change the grid by clicking this setting button and select Customize Grid. If you want to include these columns, you can tick these columns. If you want to remove any column, you can untick this column name. After that, you can save. I have removed telephone column. Now, telephone numbers not available in the grid. By clicking this action, you can edit or delete sales reps. Or by selecting here, you can delete your sales reps. However, if you have linked a sales rep to customer, you cannot delete that sales rep. In addition to this, you can create sales reps from when you are creating customers. Go to customers, select add a customer. You can select these sales reps, and by clicking add new sales reps, you can create new sales rep when you are creating a customer. Furthermore, when you are entering customer transaction, you can create sales reps. Go to customers, transactions, customer tax invoices. Click add a tax invoice. Select sales reps. Click add new sales rep. From this screen also, you can add a new sales rep. After you create sales reps, you can link that sales rep to your customers. Go to customers, select add a customer, enter customer details, link your sales rep. I'll save this customer. I'll enter transaction. Go to customers, transactions, customer tax invoices. Click add a tax invoice. Select the customer. You can see that our linked sales reps will display as default sales rep. If you want, you can change this sales rep, or you can continue with that sales rep. After you link your sales reps to customer transactions, you can generate sales reps report. By clicking this quick report, you can generate sales by sales rep report. From report filters, you can select sales reps, and report options, you can select date range, style. You can view the report. From this report, you can view sales by sales rep report. You can view sales rep, their transactions, transaction date, reference, customer name, quantity sold, total cost, total selling, GP amount and GP percentage. You can view individual sales reps details and grand total. Furthermore, when you are generating this sales rep report, you can view total cost. There are two methods of calculating total cost. You can generate this report based on average cost or last cost. Average cost and last cost are two methods used in inventory valuation in accounting and business management. Average cost, also known as weighted average cost, is a method of inventory valuation where the cost of sales is calculated by the averaging the cost of all similar items in inventory. Last cost, also known as the latest cost or most recent cost, is an inventory valuation method that values inventory item based on their most recent purchase or production cost. You can select average cost or last cost from the report options. Select the report. Under report options, if you tick use last cost, system will use the last purchase price. If you untick this option, system will use the average cost. We will generate based on average cost. Now, in this product, average cost is 75,000 and our gross profit is 125,000. I'll generate based on last cost. Go to reports, select the report. I'll select use last cost. Now, in this item, total cost is 100,000. Let me explain the item transaction. Now, this laptop I have purchased on 6th, and again I purchased on 7th and sold on 8th. On 6th, I purchased at 50,000. 7th, I purchased at 100,000. So I sold on 8th. So when we are selling that product, we have two products, 50,000 and 100,000. System will average that cost to 75,000. Therefore, when we generate based on average cost, total cost is 75,000. Now our last purchase price is 100,000. Therefore, when we generate the report based on the last cost, total cost will display as 100,000. Like that, you can generate the sales by sales rep report. Furthermore, you can generate summary report. You can select summary as style from report options and click view report. In summary report, you can view one line for one sales rep. System will display sales rep name, quantity sold, total cost, total selling price, gross profit amount, and gross profit percentage. And you can view the grand total. If you are paying sales commissions to your sales reps, you can use these sales rep reports.